Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to talk to you about the One UI Watch 6 beta program and how that's holding up with the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic that I have here on my wrist. And I wanted to go over a few things that you need to know about being in this beta and whether or not it's worth putting on your watch if it is your only daily. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, so first let's talk about the battery life. Unfortunately, the battery life on this beta has been very bad. I'm on beta 2 right now. I'm getting maybe a day battery, whereas before I got on the beta, I was getting 1.5 to 2 days. So battery has definitely taken a hit. I've reported that to Samsung through the members app. And I'm hoping to get a response back and see a fix in the next release. The next thing is I've noticed a bug. When I go to move my wrist around, all of a sudden it will activate the exercise application as if I'm starting an exercise, which I'm not. And I'll just be moving my wrist around. We'll see if I can get it to do it. But it will automatically trigger. And then on the display, you'll see the different options for exercise. So that's also a bug that I've been dealing with. But the biggest thing is the battery life. If you are wanting to continue to use your Watch 6 Classic and get that 1.5 to 2 days battery, I would say don't install the beta. Unfortunately, battery has taken a hit. I do expect Samsung to fix this in the next release, but we're not sure when that's going to be. With the Galaxy Watch 7 and the 7 Ultra coming out not too far away. I'm not sure how many more updates we're going to get before that gets released. One thing I do want to mention is that the UI is very fast. You can see as I'm just changing the tiles that there is no lag. So that is definitely an improvement with this latest beta. But unfortunately with that battery life, I just don't know if I'm going to continue to use this because I am dependent on getting more than a day and not having to charge this thing every single day. Another thing I want to talk about is the new energy score, which you get on the new beta. So this energy score is AI based, and it's supposed to use different factors, your sleep factors, heart rate, to generate a score on where you need to improve, where your body's at. And this has been kind of inconsistent as well. When I first put this beta on the watch, I noticed that the energy score was not showing up. Reached out to Samsung, I looked on the forums, and a lot of people said you need to clear the cache. So I tried that. You need to restart the watch. By restarting the watch and clearing the cache, that seemed to fix the issue. But I also wanted to mention that that is an issue that is still present on the beta. So keep in mind, anytime that you're using a beta, there are bound to be bugs. There's going to be glitches. So just be aware of that. A lot of people that get into a beta think that everything's going to be great and everything's going to work. And really what we're doing is we're testing this out as consumers for Samsung so that we can report back and let them know how things are working as a consumer and where they need to improve. So let me know in the comments below, are you going to install the One UI 6 watch beta on your Galaxy Watch? And if so, which Galaxy Watch are you using? Is it the 4, the 5, or the 6? Okay, so let's talk about the beta. If you haven't seen the other videos, if you click the link up here, I'll show you how to install the beta if you do want to do that. It is now available on the Galaxy Watch 4 and 5 series, which is on the release of beta 2. And I also have a walkthrough up here for the 5 Pro, and I'll be doing a follow-up video on how that's working and if battery life has taken a hit. So if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give us a like. Consider subscribing to the channel and click the bell notification so you're updated when new videos get uploaded. Appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.